Hey, good morning everybody, and as promised, a POV video for the weekend. I got out this morning. It's cooled off, which is kind of nice, and I thought it's perfect time just to I had a little bit of time this morning to head out, and I figured I would just go for a walk around really close to home. Didn't go over to the downtown core as normal, so I thought let's just walk around, you know, kind of the 2 or 3 block radius of where I live and see what we can find. Now, some of these areas I've shared photos of before from my different videos, but it was kind of fun to get out and just kind of do a couple of circles around and just to see what can come up in a little bit of street photography in an early Saturday morning. Not a lot of action happening out there. Obviously people still sleeping in, but there's a few people out walking their dog. It is a summer day. It is cooled off a little bit, but still nice and warm. So t-shirt weather, it was nice to get out and walk around. So hopefully you enjoy this POV and the photos from my photo walk this morning. All these photos were taken with the Fuji X-T4 using the 35mm prime lens, and the film simulation I used was just straight out of camera JPEGs as Classic Negative again. Now, before we get into the POV, I wanted to give a shout out to a couple of the viewers of the channel. They shared some photos from their Instagram of one was from MaxVer125. I will leave links to these all down in the description below, but at the very end of the video, I will share their images. So MaxVer125, he shared a photo on his Instagram from the double exposure challenge. If you haven't checked that out, you can check out a couple of my past videos. I'll link it up above as well, so you can check that out. We did a double exposure challenge. He shared a pretty cool picture. Also, I'll share that at the end after the POV. And there was also a group of photos shared by Jobansky. Now, my apologies to Jobansky. I will link his Instagram down below so you can check this out. He shared a bunch of photos from the X-Pro 62 film simulation recipe when he was out doing a photo walk. And I couldn't download to share. It was done on Instagram as a group of photos, and for some reason I wasn't able to download the individual photos to be able to share these. So my apologies. You're going to have to check out his link down in the description below to check out those photos of the X-Pro 62. Let's get on to the POV. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you got this far and you aren't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, following along, and also do make sure you check out the videos the photos at the end of this video of a couple of our channel subscribers and members that have shared on their Instagram. Let me know what you think. If you have a photo that you want to share of a Fujifilm simulation or something that you've tried from the channel, one of the photo assignments, by all means, tag me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram link down below as well. Tag my profile, I'll go check out your photos and possibly share them in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of the weekend.